Here I'm trying to test fit all the flares to see how they're going. I had a lot of little problems with it, so you know, messaging carton flares going back and forth, and I finally got them on how they're supposed to be. I just got the wheels in, so I'm checking them out. I didn't like the browns very much, so I wanted to paint them. Started. So this is how the front looks. I love it. I like how it has a little gap right here. I know people are gonna make fun of me, but when I get better coilovers, I'll drop it like an inch. But this is the originals. And here's the boys. It has been sitting for 2 months at the person's house, at the shop, I mean. So I am gonna get it painted and everything, and I'll post more videos and so yeah, I think